Welcome to Jolys Kitchen. Have you ever tried Dhaba style Paneer Masala? Yes, of course, it's very tasty. So today we are going to make Dhaba style Paneer Masala. Let's move to the video.
In a bowl, take 15 to 20 cubes of paneer, add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well, marinate for 30 minutes. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumins Seeds, 1/4 teaspoon peppercorns, add 3 cloves, add 2 pods cardamom, half inch cinnamon, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Dry roast on low flame for 2-3 minutes. It turns aromatic. Keep it for cooling, then grind to powder. Now Dhaba masala is ready. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee, add marinated paneer, saute on medium flame for 2 minutes. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil, add 2 tablespoon ghee, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, add 1 inch cinnamon, add 2 pods cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Saute on low flame for 2-3 minutes till turns aromatic. Add 1 finely chopped onion, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, saute on low flame for 2-3 minutes till it turns golden brown. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, saute on low flame for 2-3 minutes. Add 2 finely chopped tomato, saute it well. Add half cup of curd, cook on low flame for 2-3 minutes. Heat it till oil separates. Now add half cup of water, mix well. Now add fried paneer. Cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon Kasuri Methi, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now add Dhaba masala. Mix well for 1 minute. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now Dhaba style Paneer Masala is ready.
Today we tried Dhaba style Paneer Masala and it was very tasty one. Comment below your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We will come back with another recipe. Thanks for watching the video.